Tech Impact.
In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can extract audio from a video on your iPhone. So basically I'm doing this on iOS 16. So guys, let's just go in and start this video. So the next thing we are going to do from here now is open our shortcut. If you don't see your shortcut in your app menu, you can always go to the search to search for it. So in your search bar, you're going to search for shortcut. So from here now, you're going to tap at the shortcuts icon. So from here now, we're going to tap on the plus sign at the right top corner. So you're going to rename this folder by clicking on the drop down and also selecting rename. So I'm going to rename this file to audio extract iOS 16. So now that we're done with that, we're going to click on done to save the file name. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to click on the information icon at the bottom screen. So from here now we are going to highlight the option that says show in share sheet. We'll make sure that this option is highlighted, it is turned on. So now that we've turned it on, you click on done. So the next thing we are going to do now is you're going to click on action. So from action we are going to click on media. So once you open the media, you're going to scroll all the way down to video, which is the last option. So we're going to select encode media. So now that you've selected it, the next thing we're going to do now, you're going to click on the drop down. You're going to select only audio. You must make sure that this option is turned on, is highlighted. You can see right there, you must make sure that is highlighted. And you can decide to select the format, the speed as well, and the matter base, depending on what your audio is for. So after you're done, the next thing you're going to do now, you're going to tap on set name. So set name is basically the name of the folder after you've exported it, how you want it to be saved in your file. So you're going to choose a name for that. So here now for this video, I'm going to be using audio export. So after I've selected my audio export, now I'm going to tap on save file right there, right here. Now you can see where it says save file. I'm going to tap on that, and on the save file, I'm going to tap on the drop down, and you must make sure that you highlight this option that says ask where to save. So I'm advising you to click on highlight it. So now you've highlighted. The next thing we're going to do now, guys, you can see the line that connects all this all together. So guys, you must make sure that this line is visible on your own. If it's not, go back and check it. So now that we've done, now we're going to head into my gallery now to extract audio from a video. So I'm going to open my gallery and select video, and from here now I'm going to select this video right here. From the video, I'm going to select on this share button at the bottom corner of the screen. And if I scroll all the way, then you can see our file where it says audio extract iOS 16. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on that. So now you tap on that, it will ask you where you want to save this folder. And if I go back to my if I go to browse, you can see now I can decide to save it on my iCloud, or I can decide to save it on my iPhone. But because of this tutorial, I'm just going to save it on my iPhone. And now that I've selected where I want to save it, all I have to do is click on done, and this audio has been extracted. All I have to do now is go back, and all I have to do now is close my gallery and go back to my file. So if I go to my file and I open my iPhone, you can see the audio right there that says audio export. You can see right there, this is a video about 40, I think this is 42 minutes, as you can see. And when you play it, um it plays very well. So guys, that's basically how you can extract audio from video on your iOS 16. And guys, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a new video, and please make sure you like and leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.